Working smoke alarms save lives. Windsor Severance Fire Rescue is proud to announce that in conjunction with a grant through FEMA, we will be able to provide 10-year worry-free smoke alarms in the homes of residents 65 and older. This endeavor will allow us to help our seniors age more safely in place, as it eliminates the need to change your batteries every year. Hopefully through this endeavor, we will make the lives of our seniors aged 65 and older a little bit more safe. Windsor Severance Fire Rescue will uninstall the old alarms and replace them with new 10-year worry-free, hardwired, and interconnected smoke and dual smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Contact Windsor Severance Fire Rescue today to schedule your appointment for free smoke and dual alarms. Working smoke alarms save lives.